Hi guys and welcome back. So today in this video I'm going to talk about my skincare routine from day to night. This is one of the video which I really wanted to do for a very long time to share how I go ahead and take care of my skin, and also this is one of the most requested video on my channel. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how I take care of my skin. It's like taking care of your skin every day, so a good skincare routine is really important. So yes, let's go ahead and I'll show you how I take care of my skin from day to night, and that includes all the products from Plum, which is their green tea skin range. And before that, I would like to tell you that I have a normal to combination skin. So first of all, I'm going to start with the face wash. That is, in the morning I start my day with washing my face. This is a face wash by Plum. It is a green tea pore cleansing face wash, and this is how it looks like. What I like about the products by Plum is that first of all, the quality, it is amazing. The quality is just to the point, just what you require for your skin, and it is very reasonable, so you can definitely go ahead and easily get your hands on the products. And as you guys already know that the green tea range is good for anyone who has the acne prone skin, who has oily skin or combination skin. Even like if somebody has normal skin, I still think green tea range does wonders to their skin. So like I said, I have normal to combination skin. It works great for me. So the face wash is what I use first thing in the morning. Alright guys, so the next thing that I use after I wash my skin in the morning is their toner, and this is how it looks like. This is the skin toner, which is alcohol free, because I really don't like the smell of the alcohol. If you have seen in the toners, usually if you see for the toners, you will get that alcoholic smell. So this is alcohol free. So the size that you get is 200 ml, and this will cost you 390 rupees. So you just need to take it on the cotton, and then you can just clean your skin, and it cleanses your skin like really deeply. So these are the 2 steps of skincare that I follow in the morning. Okay guys, so next I'm going to tell you about the face scrub that I'm using. Yes, if you guys are not aware, Plum has recently launched a new face scrub, which is this one right here. It is the Plum Green Tea Gentle Revival face scrub. I have a lot of friends who have oily skin, but they don't use scrub because of their acne prone skin. For me, a face scrub is a necessity. I have to use it twice a week to to go ahead and open my pores, to just scrub it on my skin for any dead skin that is accumulated on my skin. So when they tell me that I don't use scrub, so I literally get shocked that how is it possible that you don't use a scrub. So one of my very close friends, she told me that because I have acne and everything on the skin, it kind of like aggravates the pimples that is there on the face, and is why I cannot use a face scrub. So which makes pretty much sense is why they don't use it. But this one is for them because it says it is very gentle and it is very light. It's not harsh on the skin, and it retails for 395 rupees. The size you get is 75 grams. So I have started using this twice a week, not right when I wake up, but anytime, twice. So I'll show you how it works. I like all the packaging of these Plum products because these are all travel friendly. You can take along with you. It kind of locks in here. This easily opens up and you can pour it and use it, and doesn't take a lot of space as well. Okay, so like you guys saw in the video how it is very gentle, so it is not harsh for your skin at all. If you have acne prone skin, you can definitely give it a try. If you have not used scrub, you can definitely go ahead and then start using the scrub now. It's gonna make so much difference on your skin. So that's all about the new scrub. Next, I'm going to talk about the product which again I don't use every day, but yes, it is a part of my skincare routine and I use it at least twice a week. So after I apply the scrub, because it kind of opens your pores, you need to put on the mask so that you don't get any pimples or your pores are not left open, to the open environment and all that. So you need to apply something on your skin. So I use this one, which is the green tea clear face mask. This is the outer packaging. This is the bottle. This is again a glass bottle, so it's like a clay thing. So this is a new one, and look, this is how it looks like. You can just apply that, leave it on your skin so that you can get that glow, and it gives a beautiful look on your skin. As you guys can see, it makes a lot of difference. The entire skincare has made a lot of difference, but I do have one last product, so please do wait for that. So this is 60 grams of products that you get for 490 rupees. And the last product that I have with me is the Renewed Clarity Night Gel. So now again, coming back to my night routine. So first of all, I go ahead and follow the first two steps I follow in the morning. So I go ahead, wash my face, go ahead and use the toner so that anything, the entire day, all the dirt and everything that your skin goes through, you can just go ahead and clean that. And then I go with this night gel. So this night gel is really light, and this is how it looks like. So this is 50 ml for 575 rupees. Again, because it is a green tea range is why it is in gel form, because when it is in gel form, it is very light and not oily for the oily skin again. So that is the reason why it is gel form. And see, this is how it looks like, and it's very light. It gives so much moisture to the skin. Okay guys, so that was all about my skincare routine from day to night, including all the green tea range from Plum. You guys know it all now. So what I love about their green tea range is that it actually takes care of the acne on your skin. It clears your skin out, leaves your skin looking very fresh, glowing and nourished, so you don't have that dull feeling on your face and looks way too fresh. So I love that about the green tea range. So after using this green tea range for quite a few months now, I can see a lot of difference. I've just added the new scrub into my routine. So that is my new go-to scrub for my skin. So I'll give it a big thumbs up. And as I said, the lockdown time is the best time to take care of your skin, because you're not really stepping out, not for work, not even for leisure and all. So you are at home all the time, you can take care of your skin. So okay guys, so that was all about my skincare. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one now. Goodbye.